Um, Good day. I want to actually resolve this fraction into partial fraction. Before we resolve a fraction into partial fraction, what do we consider? We need to consider the fact that this numerator has higher power than the denominator. So this fraction is an improper fraction. Example of improper fractions are fractions like 5/3 and let's say 7/2. They are called improper fraction. So this is an example of an improper fraction. So what do we do first before we resolve to partial fraction? We have to break down this improper fraction to mixed numbers. So for me to resolve this to mixed number, I'll have 5/3 could give me one number, 2/3, such that 1 is a whole number. Then 2 is the numerator, smaller numerator, while 3 is the denominator. So that's what I'm going to do to this particular partial fraction. So therefore, I'll go to the side of this page, then I'll resolve it to mixed numbers. This is a set of mixed numbers now. It contains a whole number, numerator and denominator. So I'll do that to this particular partial fraction. So what I'll do now is, with long division method, I'll divide by using long division method. So while doing this, I'll place my denominator outside. We have x raised by 3 plus 1. So to divide this, x raised by 6. So with this now, I'll have to rewrite this to form a new kind of expression. So I'll say this is a power to this is raised by 6. So I have to create some new identities here by saying x raised by 3 plus 0x squared plus 0x plus 1. 0 times x squared is equal to 0. 0 times x is equal to 0. So dividing x raised by 6 plus 0x raised by 5 plus 0x raised by 4 . So I have that. Then x in this should give me x raised by 3. So if I multiply back, we have x raised to power 6, then plus this to this give me this, then this to this then so this to this will give me just ordinary x3. Subtract. This subtract this cancels out. This subtract this cancels out. This subtract this cancels out. So what I have now is this is 0 minus this gives me minus x cube. So I bring down plus 0x squared plus 0x also plus 0 here. Okay, so same thing. What can divide this from here? If I use this to divide this, I have minus 1, negative 1. So if I multiply negative 1 to minus to x cube, I have minus x cube, then minus x squared minus this, then minus 1. So when I do a subtraction again, so this minus this cancels out, this cancels out, so this cancels out, then I have plus 1. Okay, so I've resolved this fraction. Becomes x raised to power 6 over x cube plus 1 becomes x raised to power 3 minus 1 whole number, then remainder 1 over x cube plus 1. So this becomes my whole number. This is my remainder. This is denominator. So in continuation we have to resolve this. So now I now have this as a new identity. So what I would now do is I'll take the new identity and write it out here. So what I will now have here is x cube minus 1, and you know it is plus 1 over x cube plus 1. So resolving this, if I expand this here, I have, since a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, then I have a squared minus ab plus b squared. Once I have this, I can now say my s cube plus 1 is same thing as s cube plus 1 cube, which is resolved to be first bracket x plus 1, second bracket to be x squared minus x plus 1. So if I want to resolve this as a whole now, I have to leave this just for now. I have to attend to this. fraction. So actually this particular two denominator now, this particular one is irreducible. Denominator. So what it will become will be 1 over x cubed plus 1 can be resolved as a over x plus 1 plus b x plus c over x squared minus x plus 1. That's what we have. If I'm to resolve this now, I can continue with this. See, let me look for the LCM of this. The LCM of these two will be x plus 1 x squared minus x plus 1. So still equal to x cubed plus 1, where a, just do this, x squared minus x plus 1 plus this is plus, then I have bx plus c in bracket multiplying x plus 1. So in continuation, I now have x squared minus a x plus e, then plus b x squared plus bx so I can cancel out denominator. So I can have, in simple form, 1 will be equal to this to this. I have a plus b x squared, then plus b plus c minus a x, then plus a plus c. Now from here we will do equating coefficients. I can just say a plus b is equal to 0, b plus c minus a is equal to 0, then a plus c is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1 minus a from here 3. So b minus is equal to minus 1, b plus 2c is equal to 1. So So our partial fraction becomes x cubed minus 1 plus 1 over x3 plus 1 equal to x cubed minus 1 plus a is 1 over 3 over x plus 1, then plus b what will be c will be 1 over 3. Yeah. C is 2 over 3.